How to do Hatrick Temu method. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the option of view. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option on credit and free gifts. Now over here you will find different options. Head towards the option of Hatrick gifts. Click on get now. From here you are able to pick free gift. Click on pick. Select the details of the gift. Select the details of the gift. Likewise, you can select the quantity and then click on continue. Apply the same process and pick all the gift. After you are done with selecting the gift, you will get this pop-up. Choose address. You have to fill these. After you confirm your address, you can click on the option of confirm. And with that, you will land with this kind of page. Now you have to click on this option of invite friend. You will get different social media platform, as well as you can use messages or you can use your referral code to invite friends to Temu, and after your friends accepts your invitation, you will be good to go. You will receive all the free gift that you have chosen. So this is how you can do Hatrick Temu method. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.